हळदोण्या सेंट थॉमस गर्ल्स स्कुलान हळदोणच्या वाठारांत स्वच्छता विशयार जागृताय हाडपाक प्रभात मिरवणूक काढली. इश्कोलाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी ह्या मिरवणुकेत उमेदीन वांटो घेतिल्लो. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर हळदोणच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
Today, so that we make the people aware of their rights for the Panchayati Raj and that they participate in Gram Sabhas and also help in cleaning the areas which are dumped by others. Their houses are clean and they dumped on the roadside streets where people walk. So children today were out on the roads to make the people aware of this important thing, to keep the garbage away and keep the place areas clean. They have to segregate. We have already started in our school to segregate, and then we have people from Panjim who are coming and collecting it for recycling. So we have started in our school and our compound also to keep clean the area. So it is very important for us and for the survival of our next generation.
Don't you think that there should be more awareness on this?
There should be. Already government is taking a lot of trouble bringing out and making people aware. So individually we have to take the initiative to do so. Panchayati Raj, Gram Sabha, sometimes they are taking so many important decisions and people are hardly there to know what is happening in the villages and all the new construction areas and all what they want to develop and all. And so people must take part in Panchayati Gram Sabhas when they have, and especially they are on Sundays, on holidays, so people can participate as well as the students as a part, they need to take it.